By transcendent experience, I refer to content of consciousness in mystical, spiritual, and non-ordinary states, such as in a dream state, in psychedelic states, and in meditation states. This is a part of human experience. However, from materialist science perspective, these experiences are illusion. They are totally get ignored. From mainstream psychology perspective, or even a psychiatry perspective, these experiences are pathological or even psychotic and ought to be treated by medication or even institution. However, to the experiencer, these transcendent experiences are often profoundly insightful and even life-changing, and they deserve to be taken seriously. There's two ways to take transcendent experiences seriously. One way is to mystify it, leading to many belief systems and religions. The other way is to demystify it using scientific method, leading to post-materialist science. When we talk about scientific method, we refer to the process. It's the methodology. We start with observation, we ask questions, we come out with hypotheses, and so on. That's the scientific method. In science, we rely heavily on metaphors to build hypotheses, which is the model of reality. And in mechanical era, we model the macro universe as a clock-like machine. When human society was electrified, we modeled the micro universe as electrically charged particles. Now we are in the information age. We have new conceptual metaphors, such as computer information processing, virtual reality, artificial intelligence. The hypothesis of transcendent reality proposed here is built on the concept of virtual reality. The hypothesis posits that, analogous to how the virtual reality environment is embedded within the physical world, our physical universe is also actually embedded in a higher order transcendent universe. This model hypothesizes that the cosmos has a hierarchical construction and consists of multiple nesting parallel universes, each successful universe operating at a distinct vibration frequency. In this paradigm, alternative state of consciousness, such as dream, meditation, psychedelic, or near-death states, function as a frequency tuner, enabling individual consciousness to access and process information from that specific universe. Analogous to selecting a channel on a TV set, the perceived reality of our ordinary waking state, that is, physical universe, is only one of the many channels of information. The Platonic computation model hypothesizes that we exist at all levels of nesting parallel universe, as nesting dolls, conceiving and perceiving the nesting parallel universes. Our lower self is conscious of a lower order virtual reality when we play a video game, whereas our higher self is conscious of the higher order transcendent reality. So the proposed post-materialist cosmology can be summarized by this slide. Essentially, a set of nesting parallel universes conceived and perceived by a set of nesting self. From Platonic computation model, we can derive a hypothetical roadmap of transcendence, ascending from unconscious NPC to eventually meta-consciousness. The self has potential to play a range of roles, such as the game player, the software configurator, the programmer, the game developer, and even DI developer. DI refers to divine intelligence, which is the higher order of artificial intelligence. So in this system, the artificial intelligence is only a shadow, a poor copy of the divine intelligence. I call it DI. Now we have a rough roadmap. We can start exploring the transcendent territory with some sense of direction as psychonauts. Yeah, there's astronauts, explore the outer space in the physical reality. The psychonauts actually explore the transcendent realities. And then the psychonauts can then return to the base camp to help improving the details and accuracy of the map.